question is, what are the typical symptoms with low thyroid and the female hormones or the male hormones? And just real quickly, the thyroid is low energy, brain fog, hair loss, joint pain, constipation, cold hands, cold feet. If you are suspecting any of those symptoms, we would like to go back and reevaluate the thyroid, even if you've been told that it's fine. With the female hormones, break it down. Estrogen is our essence. It gives us life, so it's a good thing. It gets maligned, but it is not a bad thing. Estrogen is our essence. It builds breast and uterine tissue. It's preparing for future life. So it's a giving. It's got a lot of nurturing in it. Progesterone is a great balancer to estrogen. It tells estrogen to stop building breast and uterine tissue. We have enough. And when those two rebalance every month, life is good. So when the progesterone is low, that's the happy hormone, the calming hormone. It's nature's Valium. The symptoms you may start to experience are depression, moody, blue for no reason, insomnia, low libido. Now that estrogen's not balanced, so you may have more sore, tender breasts because you've got a lot of fluid retention. You may feel puffy. You're just kind of bloated and puffy. And when the estrogen falls, that's the hot flash, night sweat, vaginal dryness, dry, itchy skin, kind of an escalated aging process. So if you can start to learn what the different symptoms are associated with each hormone, it's easier for you to identify where some of your deficiencies are. And when you call the Hootsie Health and Wellness Center, our job to do a consultation is to help you identify those symptoms and see where you may potentially be deficient. And then with men, testosterone builds bone and muscle mass, muscle strength, motivation, analytical thinking, drive, want to make decisions, get things done. It affects the libido, but that's not the only thing it does. It helps their sleep, and men's sleep, and their general moods and sense of well-being. So when men's testosterone declines due to stress or the natural aging process, they may notice a decrease in muscle mass, muscle strength, their general motivation. They just don't have the motivation to get up and go do that anymore, or let somebody else do that. Or they're an engineer and they're very analytical, and now it's just a little, so it's like whatever, and they're asking questions and it's not coming to them, and it's just not as sharp as it used to be. The analytical thinking can get a little scrambled. They're moodier or more testy, grumpy old men, that kind of thing. Or now their sleep is disrupted. So those are the clinical symptoms that men can start to identify that the testosterone is declining. And guess what? It declines for both men and women. That's okay. We can replenish it.